Before you can set the image in Raphael Studio, you must prepare the board image. You can either use the Gerber File image or upload a picture of the board from a camera. We recommend using the Gerber File image because it is more accurate. Cameras can skew the image and parts of the board may not show up properly because of tall components. Raphael Studio can only read image files such as PNG, bitmap, or JPEG. It cannot get the board image directly from the Gerber GDO file. Because of this, you'll need to take a screenshot of the Gerber File image. To take a screenshot of the Gerber file, use the keyboard shortcut Windows-Shift-S. Select the area and release the mouse button. The snip will automatically be copied to your clipboard. Click on the image pop-up. Select this button to crop. Adjust the outline to fit the image. Click the check mark to update the image. Click the Save icon. Save the image file in the same folder that you plan to save the .rcp file. Give the file a name. Click Save. If you are using a board layout program such as Altium, Mentor Graphics, or something similar that allows you to select layers of the Gerber file, choose the layers you would like to include, like the component outlines, vias, and perhaps the pads. You could include the reference designators, but normally these are a distraction and not necessary. Take the screenshot, edit, and save. If you do not have a Gerber file, you can take a picture with a camera. Make sure that you take the picture from directly above the board to make the image as accurate as possible. Do not take the picture at an angle. Upload the picture to your computer and save it in the same folder that will hold the .rcp file. Open the image in Windows Photo Editor, Paint, or a similar program. To make changes, click the Edit button at the top. Rotate the image so the board is perfectly perpendicular to the outline. Crop the image by moving the outline. Make fine adjustments as needed. This image needs to be rotated 180 degrees to match the boards that are loaded, so I click the Rotate button at the bottom left of the screen. You can either click Save a Copy or click the drop-down and click Save. Save the image file in the same folder that you plan to save the .rcp file. To set the board image in Raphael Studio, click File, Set Board Image. Choose the correct image and click Open. The program automatically sets the image dimensions to equal the board dimensions. This works great if your image is cropped perfectly. If the image is not cropped exactly, you have two options. Choice 1 is to delete the board image in Raphael Studio. Go back to the image file, crop, save, and reset your image. Choice 2 is to change the board image dimensions and offset the image. To do this, change the values next to the image width and image depth. Next, update the offset. To move the image up and to the left, I need negative values for both X and Y. Fine-tune the values until the board image is within the orange outline.